Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review. This month I received 4 more cars from the American Cars collection from DeAgostini Collectibles, and this is pack 15, and this is probably 4 of the best cars groupings that I've seen out of a pack yet. So without further ado, let's get started. And welcome back to the American Cars collection from DeAgostini Collectibles. We will be looking at the cars contained within pack 15, and car number 55 is the Plymouth GTX from 1971. Car number 56 is the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from 2020. Car number 57 is the Chevrolet Camero ZL1 from 2019. And lastly, car 58 is the DMC DeLorean from 1981. These are all fantastic, and you can head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and start your collection today. This is a fantastic pack that just arrived, and I'm very pleased to show this to you. Also received a free gift, and remember that the free gifts can vary, so you need to go over there and check out the website to see what free gifts you'll receive. So this is the free gift for pack 15. It's the Stutz Blackhawk 1971. Okay, and here it is. This is a fantastic looking car. I've actually never seen one of these in person. Usually see them on the auction sites, and it's very unique, as you can tell. We have some white wall tires. The exhaust system is very unique there. Of course, it's a convertible with the top down on it. Spare tire located in the trunk area. I mean, wow. This is pretty cool. And the grill there, very nice. And again, this side here, the red interior is impressive. Very nice gift there. And the back of it. So there you go. That's the free gift that I received in pack 15. Like I said, head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and see what free gifts you'll receive when you subscribe to this collection. Now let's go ahead and look at the first car. Here's a magazine for the first car. It's the Plymouth GTX 1971. And we'll just kind of go through this here real quick. 12 to 13 pages, semi-gloss pages. A lot of research was done by DeAgostini in the background of a lot of these cars. I love the centerfold that they give you for each magazine. And they talk about the Mitsubishi Plymouths, designers of dreams. Very cool there. And lastly, what was going on in the world in 1971 in September. Let's bring the car over. Here's the car here, and looks like we have the old school, maybe Reno, Nevada or something like that. Stagecoach strip there. Let me go ahead and take this out of the box. And here it is. Love the metallic brown color. Graphics is great on this. Black interior. Grill work looks great. Very nice. The top. Shaker hood. And it looks like New Mexico plates on that. Very cool. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next car. I'll be right back. And the next car is the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 2020 version. I'll bring the car over. And looks like we have Monument Valley in the background there. Very cool. Let me take this out. And here it is. Fantastic metallic dark blue. I love the low profile tires on it. Cobra on the grill. Very nice. The other side here. And the back end. Exhaust really stands out on this. Very nice. And the top of it, black interior. Very impressive. Very nice. That's a good looking car right there. Okay, let's go to the next car. And the next car is the Chevrolet Camero ZL1 from 2019. I'll bring that over. And very nice there. Looks like Michigan or Indiana in the background, more like Michigan itself. I'll go ahead and take this out. And there it is. I love the yellow on this, like Bumblebee. Very cool. Look at that nose on that. This is a good looking 43rd scale die cast. Dual exhaust. Very nice. The top. Very cool. Black interior. Love the scoop on this. The hood. That is super cool. Wow. Alright, let's go ahead and go to the last car in this pack. And here's the last car in this pack, the DMC DeLorean from 1981. Let me bring it over. And look like we have a Missouri background, possibly a little farm back there. That's very cool. I'll go ahead and take this out. And here it is. Wonderful representation of the DeLorean from 1981. I had an uncle that worked at the factory in Northern Ireland in Belfast, and when they were making them plenty strong. There's rumors out there that they're going to be making a more modern version of this. And of course, this car was made famous by the movie Back to the Future, of course. There's a gentleman in Vegas that makes reproductions of these. And I can't remember what his YouTube channel is, but I'll put a link down below to his channel. He has some fantastic videos, and his cars are highly sought after as collectibles, but he does the Back to the Future conversion on them and sells them. So they're fantastic. So there you go. That is definitely a DeLorean. Okay. I'll go ahead and bring them all out, and I'll be right back. And there you have it. That was pack 15 from the DeAgostini. And there you have it. That was pack 15 from the DeAgostini Collectibles American Cars Collection. We looked at the Plymouth GTX, the Ford Mustang Shelby GT500, the Camero ZL1, and lastly, the DMC DeLorean. Head over to DeAgostini Collectibles and start your collection today. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, and please give me a thumbs up. With that, I'm going to leave you guys with a fantastic day, and thank you all for watching my videos. Take care, everybody, until I receive pack 16.